Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, we're going to quickly go over the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. These are one-to-one dummy units of what we believe we will be seeing here very shortly from Apple. And I just want to show you guys what they look like. So ignore any stuff on the back of this. There was a little sticker on it and it's hard to get it off, but here is what they are going to look like. So on the back, you can see there is a new camera design. Here's the 16 Pro. So you guys can see compared to the 17 Pro, pretty much the same size here, but that camera on the back looks much different. I don't really like this look, to be honest. I like this compact look, but Apple wants to switch it up this year to get more buyers. Thickness, we can check that real quick. This is gonna be a super short video. There's not a whole lot to see here. Other YouTubers are trying to draw out like 9-minute videos on this, but just so they can get extra ad revenue. But I'm not like that. And as you guys can see, it's pretty much the same thickness. The only difference here that you're gonna notice is the fact that this model, this dummy unit, appears to have slightly more rounded corners. Hard to show that on camera, but it feels more rounded, but that also could be because this is trying to mimic aluminum. So apparently Apple's going away from titanium and going back to aluminum. So I don't know how they're gonna spin that because titanium is far superior to aluminum. So paying $1,200 for an aluminum Pro phone, we'll see if they actually end up doing that. But anyways, guys, other than that, these are basically identical to the 16 Pros besides this camera layout. Of course, we will be getting the 17 Pro in studio, so be sure to subscribe for more. And we should have some better comparisons at that point, but you guys can see here, it's basically the same thing, just weird different layout here. So I'm wrapping up this video. I am looking at a bunch of 17 Pro cases, which I'm about to review. So keep it locked to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. And if you're watching this at a later time, go check out the channel. We've got some reviews of the 17 Pro and Pro Max cases, which you guys might find enjoyable. So check them out. Thumbs up, subscribe, peace.